Hello. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color. It's a dark black color. Let's start. A square. A square. Circle. Circle. Triangle. Triangle. Star. Star. Heart. Heart. Pentagon. Pentagon. Learn some colors. Green yellow color, purple color, blue color, gray color, sky blue color, light green color, forest green color, pink color. Now fill color in shape. Cool gray color. Cool gray color. Rose red color. Rose red color. Deep olive green color. Deep olive green color. Pastel yellow color. Pastel yellow color. Vermilion color. Vermilion color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Now learn 2D shapes. A square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.